Hello and welcome to what I do best. My name is Tumita Adi. I'm a programmer. I love programming, and I want to show you something that has to do with mobile development. If you're interested in building mobile apps, I want you to note something. I'm a fan of .Net Maui and I love everything about it. So the last time we spoke about what is this class Maui program. I want to open it and then I want to show you what I picked up that I believe is very important. We spoke about the fonts, right? Please go and watch a video. There are plenty of videos. There are many videos that I made regarding different applications. But for mobile, we previously talked about what Maui program is. We also talked about what App Shell is. But on Maui program, if you remember correctly, I said this is where you configure your fonts. You see configure font, right? So this is a normal font, right? But this is a different type of a font. And I want to talk about icons. How do you get the icons? So let me fire my app in the meantime. So this is splash screen, right? But I want to talk about icons, specifically icons. So this is an icon that you see here. And this is an icon. But where do we get these icons? I'm glad you asked the questions. Let me go to my browser. This is where you get the icons. So let me close this. What is this? This is called Font Awesome. It's a website. It's a fantastic website. So you come to fontawesome.com and you're gonna go to icons, and from there you're gonna say I want the free and open source icons, or else you're gonna have to buy, to get everything there. But for free and open source. But I want you to be aware of something. If you're gonna do this, you need to make sure that you search all your icons beforehand. For example, I just added this new feature or functionality for full screen on Android. Full screen, it is available on iOS by default, but not on Android. So I had to figure out a way. So meaning that I had to go and search full screen. For example, you're gonna say full screen. You see, I use this icon and later I use this icon. So for iOS, it's not this one, it's vice versa. But I use so many icons. So what do? For example, let me show you this one. Okay, let's call it Edge. If you know the name, just go and look for Edge. And there we go, right? So there are a couple of things that you need to note, which is the brand, right? Which is what type of a font Awesome is. So this one, it's a brand, right? Now, where do I get these files? Firstly, you're gonna have to go and download them, I believe. Let's go back. Download. Where do you download them? I know you download them somewhere. Yeah, just go and look for download. I know there's a download somewhere, right? Let's do this and see downloads. Okay, but I know you download them somewhere. I just don't remember where the link is. Okay, so let's go back. I'm looking at full screen, or in fact Edge, and I want to talk about something else. Edge, there we go. So I have them, and then where do you place them? You place them under resources folder, and you're gonna go to your fonts, and this is where I have these guys, right? 3 of them. Like I said, this is an actual font that I'm using. This is the font I'm talking about. It's a different kind of font, right? There's no Western .tf, but these ones, let me do this, show in Finder. There we go. So you see, this is a font from Font Awesome, and this one is an actual font, but this one, it's what I'm using, right? So there's a solid, there's a regular, there's a brand. You need to get 3 of them, and you place them inside. The most important thing for 3 of them, you do right click. You're gonna go to build action. You need to say Maui font for 3 of them. It's very important, and then they will be added in here, right? So the first thing you're gonna do is that, as you can see, the file name, you need to do exactly as it is, which is the Pascal casing, camel casing, exactly the name as it appears, because it's sensitive, case sensitive. And then second, you want to give it an alias, right? To say I want to refer this as FA regular. So then how do we make use of this? Let's go to this page quickly, the one that you see here on the right, setup page. There we go. And let's see this one. Then I'm gonna go, that's a logo, driving essay, there we go. this is what you see here. You see this icon? Here it is. So it's a label. The text, you need to do this guy. You need to start with ampersand hashtag X. Then the last 4 characters, you get them from the website. So what you do, you wanna click on it, and then there we go, F282. If I go back to Visual Studio, oh, this is what I'm looking at. It's fine, we'll get back to it, right? And the size is gonna be 60, and then you see font family, it's FA regular, because I have registered them where? Here, this is my alias. This one's a regular. But how do you know it's a regular from the website? Just scroll. Okay. Let's see, which one is this? Let's go and search for that one. I think I can get it. Let's just say name something. Name card or something. Card. There we go. Regular. I think this is the one. Yes, because it's a regular. F2. Well, it's not it. Just want to make sure that it corresponds. Yeah, it's a regular. F2C2. This is not the one. Okay, where is it? ID card, regular, F2C2. There we go, F2C2. So that's the little code that you place here, and you end with the semicolon. Sounds good? So this is what you do. Another thing is that everywhere where you see icons, they are a product of a font awesome. So these are the things that I can show you, like where do you place one. Like we spoke about app shell, right? On app shell, for the tabs under fly out items, there's what we call tab dot icon, and I'm using font image source, right? So let me log in. This is an icon, this one is an icon also. So let it log in the meantime. I'm gonna show you home. You see this one of home? So this is how you bring it. Sometimes you're gonna get a glyph. So you're gonna say, instead of a text like you saw here, it's gonna be in the form of a glyph. You still need to provide that so it doesn't change. So you just need to make sure that the family is the same. All these, this is an icon, that's an icon, this is an icon, these guys are icons, that guy is an icon, these guys an icon. Social medias, listen, I can teach you all this for 25 rand and go beyond for an hour, 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. weekdays. If that sounds good, hit me up. I'll leave my numbers. Don't waste an opportunity to learn how to program, build mobile apps, as I have built lessons and tips.